Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of End of Society, the series where I played through Last of Us Part 2. And we just switched back over
With
to
him?
Ellie after
With
finding
Jesse?
out who Abby is
No!
and realizing that they
Been together
are
for so long.
going after their
Look,
city.
Jesse's great. I love his
Yup,
parents.
YouTuber Jerry.
They will always
I've
be
been
family,
enjoying
but we were just on
making
autopilot.
So, and I figured, I wanna stream it too.
Hey, how come we never
So
talked
I just
about
do the
this
intro
stuff?
and outro like while I'm streaming and everything.
I don't know. Didn't feel... You never really talked to me about Kat. Yeah, 'cause there isn't much to talk about. Yow. I got the impression that you didn't really like her. I don't care about her one way or the other.
Who's Cat?
Okay. No, I think she's a talented artist. I've grown to like that tattoo of yours.
Well, that's so big of you.
And I think she wasn't right for you.
Interesting.
Shut up.
Okay.
Right now I have, I just posted part 10 today.
You can tie Shimmer up here.
And so, it was right after, like, you leave the sewers,
Hey,
where where you find out about Ish's whole story.
you want to see something spectacular?
You're gonna point at your face.
That's where I've posted up to so far.
Nothing is that
Of course, by the time, anybody
spectacular.
watches,
Oh,
this
brother.
video,
Come on,
these
Stephen.
videos that I'm making right now, those have all already been posted.
What do you think of this view, huh?
Dude, the sewer
Pretty
story is messed up.
nice. Yeah, this route has its perks.
It's dark. It's very dark.
Where do we sign in?
Come on.
Fuck. Who do you used to do this route with? Jesse?
Eugene.
Right. Oh, Eugene. Man, he was funny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is this game gonna get dark? I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you. I'll go
Plus,
first.
he taught me
I
about
will not go
rewiring
first.
electronics and stuff. May we all be that sharp at 73.
I like that.
May we all make it to 73.
I like that a lot. More mess up, the better, you know? Plus, I like dark jokes. There was one day I was playing Rivals, and there was somebody on the other team named Missing a Dad.
Sign us in.
And
What
I
was
went
this
into the
place?
game chat and told him that
It
that
used
they
to be
can
a
share
radio
my
tower.
dad if they want, and that I'll split half his ashes with him. That's funny. That is hilarious.
And there.
It is, but it's so funny though. And
here.
then another good one is like if anybody asks me like if they don't know,
Town up
and
ahead's
they
our
ask
last
me if I
stop.
did anything with
Take a look.
Father's Day or anything like that, or like I'll just start it off and be like, um, you know what I got my dad for his last birthday? A bottle of lotion because he's looking pretty ashy.
I see a strip
That
mall?
is hilarious too.
Oh, with the supermarket? No, town's past that.
Ah, there's a ski lodge. That's the one on Tommy and Joel's route.
That's the one.
Exactly. Sharing
I can
is
see a
indeed
storm.
caring.
Gonna have some good sledding tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
There's the town. With the big tower thing?
Yep, that's where the next lookout is.
No, I make it very clear that it's because he's dead and he's cremated. I make that
Let's
very
get back to
clear
the horses.
as I'm giggling. Yeah, but what's in here though? Oh, nice. Yeah, I gotta make sure people know.
I'm gonna guess this bong was Eugene's.
Mine. He gave it to me.
You have any on you?
I wish. I always got mine from Eugene. Question. Were you wearing those same clothes yesterday?
They're clean.
No judgment.
What of it,
It's
Dina?
patrol, you know? We're here to
How
kill
dare
infected,
you
not to look
question
fancy.
me?
Still look nice.
Thank you.
Ooh, what's in here? Hey, there's a rat. Yeah. I thought that's where I got the first tool upgrade. Named their horse Japan. I guess it's better than Callus.
Come on.
I think we should go out like Eugene.
From a stroke?
No, from old age. Like living a long life.
You? No way. Come on. You're way too reckless.
Look who's talking.
No, there's
You'll
a lot.
probably
There's
die
a
from
lot of
hypothermia
names
from
for
wearing
horses
canvas
that use
sneakers in the
Callus.
snow.
Like I kind of agreed
I
with
am wearing
Joel.
boots today.
I don't like that name that much.
You know how you're gonna die?
Ooh, let me guess. You're gonna kill me?
No. Maybe. Fuck you. Hey, should we check these houses out?
Seems quiet, but we can if you want. I bet they still got supplies.
All right, stay horns.
What do you know about this place?
Just another evacuated neighborhood. Infected almost never make it out this far. We usually catch them on the outer perimeter.
I'm never wrong about anything. You take that back right now. You never say that again. That's a rector.
Ooh, I don't have this one.
Isn't it one of those superhero cards you're all into?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
What
we'll
are you
keep
doing
that.
tonight?
I was
Trolling?
thinking of inviting Joel to watch a movie.
Oh. You guys good?
Yeah.
What movie are you guys gonna watch? What's Joel into?
Curtis and Viper 2. That's the one that's been on my radar for a while.
Oh, wow.
We used to watch these cheesy 80s action movies. He's really into them.
Oh no.
I actually really like them too. What about you? What are you doing later?
Some people were talking about sneaking out. Going sledding.
Sounds fun.
Yeah. You wanna meet up after?
Okay.
So Dina's
Maybe
definitely
I'll-
into her.
Play guitar for you.
Okay. What's Curtis and Viper 2 about?
Okay, so two former commandos that go rogue to fight bad guys. And I think in this one, they go up against Russian spies or something.
I'm more interested in this than I thought I would be.
All right, so the young one, Viper, he's a trained ninja. and he's a complete badass.
So how old is he in the first movie?
10.
Wait, how many movies did they make of this?
I
Daddy
think they
Saber
made
was honey.
4.
Jeez.
House from
Joel
the
actually saw the last
monsters.
one in the theater.
Could also
Isn't that crazy?
help keep me
Yes.
company with my daddy. Self in the bedroom. Ugh. But
Poor
she
kid.
should look like. Can you also get me a gun? I think if I was stronger, my daddy would be happier. Very much Eric. Oof.
You think anybody out there is still making movies?
It has to be.
How do you know? I mean, what if they're all just like us? Just surviving day to day.
Well, I write new music, so if someone had a camera.
Wait, hold up. There are original Ellie songs? Why haven't you played any for me?
Well, I don't know.
Probably
Can you
because
play
you
one
ain't
for
never
me?
asked,
Tonight?
Dina.
I'll think about it.
How dare you? Maybe ask me about me sometime, Dina. Instead of just treat me like a piece of meat, kissing me in front of people. Keep forgetting I have
These
to
trailers
press
are neat.
space.
Nice little
Through there.
portable home.
You think people really traveled a lot in these things?
Well, wouldn't you?
I mean, if I'd lived pre-outbreak, yeah. I'd go see the whole country.
Or travel to another country.
Maybe one day we will.
Keep dreaming.
Jesse talked a lot about going to Canada. He said there's these, like, giant waterfalls out there he wanted to see.
Really? He's such a hardcore Jackson guy.
Everybody's got their dream.
Okay, that was a weird jump. Can I not go up here? But there's houses. I want to go loot.
Hey, should we check these houses out?
Seems quiet, but we can if you want. I bet they still got supplies.
Didn't I just check out these houses? What houses are you talking about? I don't think I can look through any more houses, Ellie. Oh, maybe this one right here. I know, dude. Freaking, that was getting on my nerves with the first game. They're all like, "Oh, come on, hurry up, it's over here," and I'm like, "Yeah, but I need to loot first. I can't just like, you know, walk up to one side and be like, oh no, I can't get up there and walk away." Okay, maybe I can't get up there. I'm gonna say I can't get up there to that house. So I think I looted them all. Okay, let's hop back on the horses. Hey, you are slow. Whoa, fancy house. Can I jump the fence? Oh? Oh, what a bummer. They probably had some good looties in there. Game's like, nah, you can't get rich people looties.
Easy going. Shit. What the fuck? That smell. Looks like infected did this.
How many do you think it would take to bring down a moose?
More than one. Where the hell are they?
Let's go find him.
Oh, that's weird. I'll probably just use the number buttons.
Shit. I hear some inside. How the fuck did they get in?
This way.
Get stealth. Ooh, in the throat. Take that, zombie.
It's down.
That's one.
Oh, and it was munching on a leg.
Let's see if we can get around to the back of the supermarket.
Do zombies
Good
get
idea.
full? I feel like eventually they'd get full, right? Or does like people just like oh shit snap. Throw.
You good?
Yeah,
Nice throw, by the way.
Thank you.
thanks.
I got good at it by
Maybe
hitting
came in
kids
as
with
barricaded.
snowballs.
How'd that runner get in here?
Yeah, it's a good question.
What's the most infected you've ever taken down on patrol?
It's gotta be the one I had with
3750.
Joel a year or so ago. It was like, I don't know, a dozen? You?
Cleared about 20 once. There was a group passing through.
Fuck. Dina, this way. More runners.
Let's keep it.
I was gonna say, Dina, can you do something? You haven't done anything this whole time. Make yourself useful, girl. I ain't the only one on patrol. Get stealth. Oh, ammo. Get stealth. Oh, nice. Thank you, Dina. About time.
That all of them?
Yeah. Looks like it.
We've still got to get the ones in the supermarket.
Let's keep circling the building.
Brick.
Gotta be a way in.
And I will probably hold on to that brick for a good portion of this game. Pew, 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 pew. Guess I can turn off my flashlight. Okay, so I can't jump that.
Oh, help me up there. I want to look around.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, so now she's the Joel. Always lifting people up. Never not being the one lifted
There's a hole in the
anymore.
roof over there.
I still feel like Ellie should have boosted him up a
Here.
couple times, you know. At least once or twice throughout the first game. Maybe moved him around on the
Thanks.
pallet in the water, you know.
Look.
At
See?
least once.
Alright. Let's figure out how to get in there.
Pew 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 pew. Hey, let me
Thought
let me
maybe we'd
boost
get
you
lucky.
up. Come get boosted, Dina. Hey Dina, come get boosted. Okay, so can I boost her? Oh, I probably gotta lay down, huh?
Under here.
Figured it out.
Ellie, are you clean?
Yeah. Just banged up.
Please die of old age and not because you get infected. I really don't want to have to shoot you in the face.
Nah, you can shoot me in the face. It's cool.
Deal.
Cool.
Wait, did I see a spot for looties over here? Ooh. Nice. A bottle. Bottle. Okay. 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 Let me see if I'll turn off slow mode. Oh, weird. Okay, well, I'll set up my phone and then you can use texting as your chat then, I guess. Yeah. Ma'am, I'm sorry to God for what I did. I wasn't going to hurt you. I didn't want anything from your store except for the drugs. Your husband came at me. What choice did I have? My little sister stopped feeling her feet. I needed the insulin. Everyone is hoarding the stuff. What choice did I have? I hope she survives. I'm sorry. Oof. Oh, I need to. Oops, there we go. All right.
See any way to that roof?
I'm not sure.
Yo, let me boost you, Dina.
This way. I'm in.
Okay, but if there's infected here, you should probably be quieter, though.
Me too. Should we check for supplies?
You don't have to tell me to check for supplies as I'm already grabbing loot. Know what I'm doing, Dina? I am a professional looter.
Hey, got some alcohol.
Couple of rags. Here,
Now I learned how to make bad kits.
fix yourself up. I see spores in there. Mask's on.
Got it.
Why is she wearing a mask? She is immune. Oh, they don't want people to know that she's immune. I get it.
Remember, I don't want to have to shoot you in the face.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I don't want to have to
All
shoot
these
you
spores
in the
mean they've
face.
been here
Girl, I
for a
can take
while.
off my mask and I'd be fine.
Keep your eyes peeled for older infected.
Yep. Is this part of the Superman?
I don't know. I think we're above it. Let's get to the ground floor.
Okay. Room looted. I guess 5. 33. 53. No, that didn't work.
Damn it.
That's probably on here though. Yo, Kristen, left the real shit in the safe you. Combo is the date my good boy got employee of the month. Don't fucking sell those or give them away. Back, alright, feel better, Mina. Copy that, good buddy. Alright, so when did he get employee of the month? Ah, good boy. 7/20/13.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice. 33 supplements? What can I get with that? Listening mode. For sure. Okay, what do you want me to do about it? I ain't taking her. She can stay in there. Plus, also, why? Did you give her any, like, food or anything? Give her beans? Plus, how do you know it's my dog? Akila, your dogs lay down some nasty farts sometimes, too. At least Keena's a lady with it, though. About to get got. Get stealth. God, the clickers look amazing. They look a lot more intense.
Those blind motherfuckers make my skin crawl. Let's make sure the rest of the building's cleared out. And then get the fuck out of here. Speaking my language.
Like, at a certain point, like, zombies would be dead, you know? There's only so many people on Earth, you know?
Dina, will help. Coming. I'll make you a present. I'll take a present.
Oh, she gonna make me a Molotov? Nice. Thank
Here.
you, Dina.
Thanks.
Appreciate you.
Careful with that. I'm a pro. We're not done.
Man, there are supplements everywhere.
We got some numbers here. What do you think? Get the runners first. Let's see.
Okay, so maybe that wasn't the best idea?
Over there.
The other ones ain't gonna be no big deal. Get stealth. See, but at least zombies don't, you know, what the hell, over here, and call a bunch of people over when they see another zombie dead. Dang hunters.
Any still moving? Nope.
You know what? I'm impressed with us. Yeah.
I mean, you're impressed with me.
Man, the guys are not gonna believe our numbers. Okay,
I did all the work.
let's go to the next lookout and take a fucking break. We earned it.
Agreed. I won't budge.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're just gonna hurl me up through that hole in the roof.
Okay.
Cable here.
There you go. Yeah. That should hold us.
Blast.
Get over! Fuck yeah.
First try.
Okay,
Hey, Dina, you go
that's good.
first.
Here I go.
Careful when you get up here. It's pretty windy. Over here. Storm's really picked up. How far are we from the lookout? Just past the next town. Following you. Hey, how far away are we? A few minutes out. Okay.
This one's up.
This is getting worse. Turn back. We won't make it. We're almost there. I know, girl. I know. Keep going. Dina, how much further? Dina? Dina! Dina, where are you? Dina! Fuck. Dina! Dina! Ellie! Where are you?
Alrighty, guys. We're gonna keep the stream going, but we're gonna stop the video here. Do the like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're watching on Facebook, do the follows. And we'll catch you in the next one.